Hello, my dear learners. I hope you are doing well in this lockdown period. Keep following social distancing and do hand wash frequently. Today, I, Bhavna, is going to teach you a lesson from economics. That is the story of Palampur. Before starting it, let's discuss what is economics. It is the study of the way money are organized. It was first read in ancient Greece. It is derived from the Greek word oikonomia, which means household management. The management of what? Yes, the management of money. Let's take an example, students. If your parents give you 100 rupees as a pocket money every month, how would you utilize it? Tell me. Okay, you can save this money, you can buy the game. There are so many options to utilize the money. But here the question is, what will be the best utilization of money? To find the solution and to take the best money related decisions, we study economics. So let's take a look what will study in economics. Economic make us aware about what is best utilization of money. It gives us knowledge. How we can fulfill the human's want with limited resource. Let's take a look of first chapter of economics, that is, yes, the story of the village Palampur. In this chapter, we are going to study about the hypothetical case study of the village, that is hypothetical village Palampur. In this case study, we are going to take a look on how in a village human wants gets fulfilled, how in a village to produce any kind of goods and services, various resources get together. In this chapter, we are also going to discuss the topic with examples. Through these examples, we get to know about we can make use of factors of production. What are the factors of production? I'm sure you are also agree with me on this point that is for any kind of production, basic necessities are very important, and to fulfill these necessities, money earning is very important. Students, in this chapter we are going to study about the interesting topics, the interesting conceptual areas. Let's take a look on these topics. The concept of this chapter is the factor of production. Yes, I'm going to repeat it, the factors of production. So the question arises that how many factors are there? There are 4 factors. Let us start with the understanding why and how we can apply the concept of factors of production and the basic framework of economics. The first factor is the land. The second factor is the labor. The third factor is the physical capital. And the last, very, very important factor, that is human capital. Let's study these factors with the help of hypothetical village, the Palampur. The main occupation in the Palampur village is farming. The upper caste families in this village own the majority of land, and their houses are big and made of bricks and cement. The SC or the Dalits, that is scheduled caste, from 1/3 of population, and they live in smaller house that is made up of mud and straw.